So hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let us discuss 8 marks questions in this exercise. So first let us discuss 7th problem. So here we have to prove that sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cot a cos a plus secant a whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Now sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. It is looking in the form of a plus b whole square. So expand it. It will become a square plus b square plus 2ab sin square a, considering a square as sin square a, b square a, considering b square a as cos a plus cos square a plus 2 into sin a into cos a. I am keeping brackets as to not confuse. Take it as one term, and the second term, this is also in the form of a plus b whole square. So expand it. Plus cos a means cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 cos a into secant a. Now this is cosec here also cosec. Now sin square a plus uh, here you change cosec square a as 1 plus cot square a. Sin square a plus 1 plus cot square a plus 2 sin a into 1 by sin a, as cosec a is inverse of sin a. So this is one term plus cos square a plus 1 plus tan square a, change secant square a as 1 plus tan square a plus 2 cos a into 1 by cos a. Now cos a uh, yeah, now it will be sin square a plus 1 plus cot square a plus 2, take this one as one term, plus cos square a plus 1 plus tan square a plus 2, take it as one term. Now bring one term, bring this one and this one as a together aside, and this one aside, and this two aside. Now it will become uh, sin square a plus cos square a plus 1 plus uh, cot square a plus 1 plus tan square a plus 2 plus 2. So sin square a plus cos square a is 1 plus 1 plus cot square a plus 1 plus tan square a plus 4. Take the integer values aside. So if we add these all integer values, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 2 3 plus 4 7. So that is equal to 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. So that is only RHS na. No problem, cot square A plus tan square A or tan square A plus cot square A. So this is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved. Consider this one as LHS. Now coming to 10th problem. So in this problem, yesterday I told in many ways. If you didn't watch the video, please go and watch it. Uh, so here, if cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Now 10th one. As yesterday I told in one method, I am following that one only today also. There are many ways to do this one. Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So they have given cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. So here it is prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. In the place of k square, let us substitute cosec theta plus cot theta. So it will become cosec theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. So here it is looking in the form of a plus b whole square. So let us expand. Cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec into cot theta minus 1 by cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta plus 1. Now here let us change cosec square theta as 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta, here minus 1 by, let us here let us change cot square theta down. Write cosec square theta normally the same. Change cot square theta as cosec square theta minus 1 plus 2 into cosec theta into cot theta plus 1. Now here it is minus 1 and it is plus 1. Both are cancelled. Here it is plus 1. Here it is minus 1. Cancelled. Now here 2 cot square theta plus 2 into cosec theta into cot theta by 2 cosec square theta plus 2 into cosec theta into cot theta. Now here 2 cot square theta, here 2 cot theta, so here also 2 cot is there, here also 2 cot is there, here 2 cosec square theta, here 2 cosec theta, so both are commonly there here. So let us, by taking common, 2 cot theta, 2 cot theta of cot theta plus cosec theta, remained is that one only here, 2 cosec theta into cosec theta plus cot theta. 2 gets cancelled, cosec gets cancelled, cot gets cancelled. Now cot theta by cosec theta. So we can write cot theta as cos by sin, cosec theta as 1 by sin. So here that implies cos theta by sin theta into sin theta by cos theta, sorry, sin theta by 1, it will be reversed, sin gets cancelled, that is equal to cos theta. That only now we need to prove cos theta is equal to k square minus 1, so hence proved, hence proved. Now let us discuss third problem. So now let us discuss third problem. Show that root over 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a. Let us show it. This may come for 4 marks. Now root over 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a. Multiply numerator and the denominator with 1 plus sin a. Already I told these sums in my before videos, previous videos, but I am saying now these are example as the board exams are near, so practice these well. Root over 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a by 1 minus 1 plus sin a. Now it is looking in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So write it in that way. So it will become 1 plus sin a whole square by 1 minus sin square a. Now change this one as cos square a. Why? Because by using identity number 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a according to sin square a plus cos square a is equal to one identity. So root over 1 plus sin a whole square by cos square a. Now square and root gets cancelled, so the remaining one is 1 plus sin a by cos a. Now take 1 by cos a as one term and plus 1 sin a by cos a one term. So 1 by cos a means secant a Sin A by cos A means tan A. So that is equal to RHS. RHS. Hence proved. So if you like my video, please like, do, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.